AOPS Volume 1, The Basics. Number 10. Find x if 2 raised to the 16 to the x power is equal to 16 to the 2 to the x power. As cheesy as it may sound, it is very important when approaching these kind of questions to not get intimidated. Because many students often find these questions and they think that it's out of their range and ability to solve it. Therefore, they purposely, selfily hinder themselves from solving certain questions that they believe are not solvable. And when approaching these kind of questions with multi-degreed equations such as a to the b to the c to the d power and so on, it is a good rule of thumb to understand a little trick, which is a like base of a raised to the b power. If it's equal to another base, the same base, raised to another power such as c, b must be equal to c in order for this equation to be true. So let us try to rewrite this equation in terms of this little trick right here. And a good rule of thumb when dealing with larger numbers and smaller numbers is to rewrite the larger number in terms of the smaller number. In this case, let us try to write 16 in terms of 2 because we see we have two different bases, 2 and 16. So let us try to rewrite 16 in terms of 2 to have a like base. So 16 is equal to 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, which is equal to 2 to the fourth power. This is true because 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, 8 times 2 is 16. So 2 to the fourth power is equal to 16. Therefore, we can rewrite this equation to be 2 raised to the 2 to the 4x power is equal to 2 raised to the 4 times 2 to the x power. And a general misconception and a mishap is to simply multiply 4 and 2 together. That is incorrect. You can never multiply the bases together if one of the other numbers has an exponent. So the only way to further simplify the exponent present within this term is to apply this rule that a to the b times a to the c is equal to a to the b plus c. Notice how the two bases are alike. Only then, once multiplying together, can we apply this formula. And we see here that 4 is equal to 2 squared. Therefore, this is equal to 2 to the 2 squared times 2 to the x, which is equal to 2 to the 2 of 2 plus x. And we see here now that we have a like base of 2 and 2. Therefore, this equation satisfies this little trick. Therefore, by definition, 2 to the 4x power must be equal to 2 to the 2 plus x power. And once again, we have rewritten it to be another equation that also satisfies this little technique. That a to the b is equal to a to the c, b must be equal to c. We have two like bases, which are 2 and 2. Therefore, 4x must be equal to 2 plus x, and rearrange this to get 3x must be equal to 2. X must have a grand total of 2 over 3. The solution to our question.